Today we learned some Japanese phrases.
We found out where he lives. 私たちは彼がどこに住んでいるのかがわかりました。We found out where he lives. Whose room is this? これは誰の部屋ですか? Whose room is this? Asia is much larger than Australia. アジアはオーストラリアよりはるかに大きいです。Asia is much larger than Australia. She told me she knew my brother. 彼女は私の兄を知っていると私に言いました。She told me she knew my brother. I'm proud of you. あなたは大したものです。I'm proud of you. This hat is mine. この帽子は私のものです。This hat is mine. Did you hear someone ring the doorbell? 誰かが玄関のベルを鳴らすのが聞こえましたか? Did you hear someone ring the doorbell? I play tennis. 私はテニスをします。I play tennis. He's 2 years older than Mary is. 彼はメアリーより2歳年上です。He's 2 years older than Mary is. We have had plenty of snow this year. 今年は雪が多かったです。We have had plenty of snow this year. I want to go to America someday. いつかアメリカに行きたいです。I want to go to America someday. There's no evidence. 証拠がありません。There's no evidence. Will you help me with my homework? 私の宿題を手伝ってくれませんか? Will you help me with my homework? He was sitting on a bench. 彼はベンチに座っていました。He was sitting on a bench. Is this your first trip abroad? これが初めての海外旅行ですか? Is this your first trip abroad? Can you come for dinner tonight? 今晩食事に来られますか? Can you come for dinner tonight? He's always been kind to me. 彼は昔から私には親切です。He's always been kind to me. They have English lessons 3 times a week. 彼らは週に3回英語の授業を受けます。They have English lessons 3 times a week. Come again tomorrow. 明日また来てね。Come again tomorrow. I called for help. 私は大声で助けを求めました。I called for help. How far is it from here? ここからどのくらいの距離がありますか? How far is it from here? My dream is to be a firefighter. 私の夢は消防士になることです。My dream is to be a firefighter. Whose friend is he? 彼は誰の友達ですか? Whose friend is he? The fruit went bad. その果物は腐りました。The fruit went bad. Please follow me. 私の後についてきてください。Please follow me. I have a pretty dog. 私はかわいい犬を飼っています。I have a pretty dog. I play video games. 私はテレビゲームをします。I play video games. There is no meat left in the fridge. 冷蔵庫には肉は残っていません。There is no meat left in the fridge. Every door in the house is locked. 家の中のドアはどれも鍵がかかっています。Every door in the house is locked. This is what I was waiting for. これを待ち望んでいました。This is what I was waiting for. Where should we go? どこに行きましょうか? Where should we go? I have many friends in foreign countries. 私は外国に友人が多くいます。I have many friends in foreign countries. Could you bring me a pillow and blanket, please? 枕と毛布を持ってきていただけますか? Could you bring me a pillow and blanket, please? Ask him when the next plane leaves. 次の飛行機がいつ出るかを彼に尋ねなさい。Ask him when the next plane leaves. Have you ever been to Africa? アフリカに行ったことがありますか? Have you ever been to Africa? It's a pity that you can't come. あなたが来られないのが残念です。It's a pity that you can't come. Don't make a mistake. 間違いをしてはいけません。Don't make a mistake. Stay home so that you can answer the phone. 電話に出られるように家にいなさい。Stay home so that you can answer the phone. Please open the window. 窓を開けてください。Please open the window. I will be back at 6:30. 私は6時半に帰ります。I will be back at 6:30. The shop was closed when I went there. 私はそこへ行ったとき、店は閉められていました。The shop was closed when I went there. They forgot to lock the door. 彼らは鍵をかけ忘れました。They forgot to lock the door. He comes round once a week. 彼は1週間に一度やってきます。He comes round once a week. The printer needs paper. プリンターに紙が入っていません。The printer needs paper. I have to go now. 私はもう行かなければなりません。I have to go now. This problem is difficult to solve. この問題は解くのが難しいです。This problem is difficult to solve. I would like to eat sushi. 私は寿司を食べたいです。I would like to eat sushi. I'll come back. 私は戻ってきます。I'll come back. She went home. 彼女は家に帰りました。She went home. He knocked his knee against the chair. 彼は膝を椅子にぶつけてしまいました。He knocked his knee against the chair. Are seats available? 空席はありますか? Are seats available?